It's bear season. Caught me a bear. Hi, bear. She's kind of a cranky bear, so I don't know. I tried to feed the bear, but the bear wouldn't really eat much. I guess bears don't like cottage cheese or fruit. Crackers are definitely on the list. Hey, we gotta get going, Miss Bear. Ugh. Don't eat that, please. Miss Bear. Bear. Come on, Bear. I know, it's upsetting. Bear fit. Woo. Hi. She's disgusted with me. Hey, Lucy, come on, we gotta go. Let's go for that accordion. All right, I gotta wrangle a bear.